Hello, this is JP Hrisoulas, the Cranky Old Bastard. Today we're going to demonstrate soldering on a guard. For some reason people just don't seem to have interest in how to solder on guards, and this is something that should be learned. It's not difficult once you learn the trick of it. The setup I have here is a double branch guard for a dagger. What you see on the vise itself is a yellow powder called yellow ochre. That is an anti-flux. This prevents any of the flux from doing its job under on the other side and helping things stick. You do not want the stuff to stick under that because it'll just cause a problem later on when it comes to fitting. So it keeps the solder from flowing down and causing a problem. Next thing here is the flux. I'm applying a flux here with a flux brush. This is a acid-based flux. It is formulated just for this type of silver solder. The solder I'm using is a 97% tin, 3% silver solder. It melts at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 25 degrees short of what I temper at. So there's no chance of toasting the temper out of this blade. Now, I use an oxyacetylene torch with a somewhat rich mix of fuel. It's got a nice long feather to it. You don't want to cone it really hot. You don't want it to cook anything. You just basically want it to heat enough to heat the solder. Now, you basically just play it back. Play both sides. Go as you go. Now the solder I'm using here is a round ribbon, and once you start touching it, once the material gets to the point where the solder will flow, the flux usually starts going dark, just like it is here. You basically just want to lay it in. See, it just sucks right in there. Go around the back side, hit that here, hit the back side. Now I like to go over with a little bit more flux. Hit it again. Make sure everything is hunky-dory. And we're done. That's it for the soldering joint. Nothing to it really. It just takes a little bit of practice and it comes out really nice. Now to clean this up, I'll use a flexible 4-amp shaft with a knife edge Cratex wheel, followed by a monkey tool, which is nothing more than a piece of bronze with an angle cut to it that I put some abrasive papers on, and clean up the solder down to the bare metal underneath. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, these are really simple to do. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much to all your friends and neighbors, family and associates to watch my videos. Have a wonderful evening. May the wise Lord bless you. Bye-bye.